Want to make a great first impression? Stop these 7 habits now. Must-know social tips. First impressions matter a lot. Within just a few minutes, people form opinions about you that can be difficult to change. We all want to come across as confident, engaging, and likable. But sometimes, without realizing it, we engage in habits that do the exact opposite. These small but impactful mistakes can make us seem uninterested, awkward, or even rude. If you want to leave a lasting and positive impression, it's time to say goodbye to these 7 habits. 1. Talking too much about yourself. It's natural to want to share your experiences, achievements, and opinions. But if you dominate the conversation, you risk coming across as self-absorbed. People want to feel heard and valued. If they sense you're only waiting for your turn to speak, they won't be impressed. Instead, shift your focus. Ask thoughtful questions. Listen actively. Show genuine interest in what the other person has to say. A great impression isn't about proving how interesting you are, it's about making others feel important. Example: imagine meeting someone for the first time. Instead of diving into a long story about your weekend, try asking, "How was your weekend? Did you do anything exciting?" This small change makes the conversation feel balanced and engaging. 2. Avoiding eye contact. Eye contact is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to build trust and connection. When you avoid eye contact, you may seem nervous, distracted, or even insincere. A hiring manager once told a candidate, "You seem like a great fit, but you barely made eye contact. It was hard to connect with you." That comment stuck with them. They hadn't even realized they were doing it, but their lack of eye contact made them appear uncertain. Good eye contact shows confidence, attentiveness, and sincerity. If you struggle with it, start small. Hold eye contact for a few extra seconds before looking away. With practice, it will start to feel natural, and people will instantly feel more drawn to you. 3. Offering a weak handshake. A handshake says a lot about you before you even speak. Research shows that people with firm handshakes are often perceived as more confident, outgoing, and trustworthy. On the other hand, a limp handshake can make you seem unsure or disengaged. First impressions are built on small details, and a strong handshake is one of them. When meeting someone new, make sure your grip is firm, but not crushing. Maintain eye contact, and offer a warm smile. This simple gesture can set the tone for the entire conversation. 4. Checking your phone mid-conversation. Few things are more off-putting than someone who keeps glancing at their phone during a conversation. It sends the message that whatever is on your screen is more important than the person in front of you. Example: imagine you're at a networking event, speaking with someone, and they keep checking their phone. How would that make you feel? Probably unimportant. Now flip the situation. Don't be the person glued to your screen. Next time you meet someone, silence your phone and keep it out of sight. Give them your full attention. This small act of respect can make a big difference in how people perceive you. 5. Not smiling enough. A genuine smile can make you appear approachable, warm, and friendly. On the other hand, if you remain too serious or expressionless, you might come across as uninviting. Example: think about the last time you met someone who never smiled. It likely made the conversation feel cold or distant. Now, recall meeting someone who smiled warmly. It probably felt welcoming and comfortable. Smiling helps create an instant connection. When you meet someone new, let your face reflect positivity and openness. It's a simple yet powerful way to leave a great impression. 6. Interrupting others. Nobody enjoys being interrupted. It makes people feel unheard and undervalued. If you tend to jump in before someone finishes speaking, it's time to change that habit. Instead, practice active listening. Nod to show you're engaged. Wait for natural pauses before responding. These small adjustments can make conversations feel smoother and more respectful. Example: imagine telling a story only to be cut off before you finish. Frustrating, right? Now make sure you don't do the same to others. 7. Forgetting names. Few things are as flattering as someone remembering your name after just one meeting. It shows that you value and respect them. But forgetting names, or worse, not making an effort to remember, can make people feel unimportant. A simple trick: when someone introduces themselves, repeat their name back to them. Nice to meet you, Sarah. This reinforces the name in your memory and makes the person feel acknowledged. If you struggle with names, try associating them with something familiar, like John who loves photography, or writing them down after meeting someone new. Final thoughts. First impressions are built in minutes but can last a lifetime. By eliminating these habits, you can instantly improve the way people perceive you. So the next time you meet someone new, remember: listen more, make eye contact, offer a strong handshake, put your phone away, smile warmly, avoid interrupting, and remember their name. These small yet powerful changes can help you make a lasting, positive impact, one that opens doors to new opportunities and meaningful connections. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.